Hi there, Mrs. Nichols here. We're going to recap multiplying and dividing positive and negative integers. When I'm multiplying and dividing, it's really convenient because the rules are the same. It's not like with addition and subtraction where I need to worry about different sets of rules and converting between operations. If I have the same signs, my answer will be positive. And if I have different signs, my answer will be negative. So that means if I have a positive times a positive, my answer will be positive. Same thing goes for a positive divided by a positive. If I have a negative times a negative, this is the weird one, that's still positive. I still have the same signs. If I have a positive times a negative, those are different signs, right? One positive, one negative. So that product or quotient will be negative. Same thing is true if I have a negative times a positive, my product or quotient is also negative. Let's look at some examples. If I'm multiplying 9 times negative 8, notice that the 9 is a positive number and negative 8 is negative. So those signs are different. And what that tells us is that our product will be negative. So what I think is 9 times 8, which I know is 72. But I know my product will be negative, so my product is negative 72. Here's another example, negative 7 times negative 9. So now I've got two of the same signs. So even though they're both negative, I'm going to end up with a positive product. And if you think back to our examples in class about taking away a bad thing being a good thing, that's what's happening here. We have two negatives. We're taking something away, but the thing that we're taking away is bad. So we end up with something good or a positive. So 7 times 9 is 63, and my negatives cancel out. Negative 1 times negative 1 equals positive 1. So that means negative 7 times negative 9. We could think of that as positive 1 times 7 times 9, which is 63.